So I have never done free response questions with you. So in today's class, I'm going to do free response questions of the topics that we have been discussed so far. And free response questions is 1.5 hours. You'll have 6 questions, free response questions. So 50% of the weightage. Again, I'm repeating, even you get 70% of the marks, you get 5 out of 5 in AP Calculus, AP, even AP Physics Mechanics, and you get good scores in AP Calculus, you will save at least 7 to 9 lakhs. So focus and listen to me carefully so that you'll get good scores. And I asked you to do calculator active. I don't know how many of you done. You need to open up and please do. If you can do, then things will be good. If not, nothing can be done here. Okay. Yeah. Everyone just see this question number 89 and try to give me answer for this. This is not calculator active. Even without calculator, you can give me answer. I'm giving you 1 minute and I'm just connecting my digital board to this so that I'll write it on the board. Please do read the question. I'm giving you 1 minute. Then I'll explain you. If you can do, very good. If not, I'm going to explain it to you. Yeah, you can type answer to me. Whatever the answer you get it off, whatever the answer you feel like, you just type the answer here. They give f dash x and they're saying g of x is negative. Then they're saying which of the following statements must be true. Which of the following? Right, good. Which of the following statement must be true? So we clearly know where does the relative maxima and relative minima occurs according to f dash. Again, I'm repeating to the students who don't know. According to f dash, you take a function. The slope of the function is positive here. Slope of the function is 0. Slope of the function is negative because this is making greater than 90. This is making less than 90. So if it is changing from positive to negative, slope is changing from positive to negative. I clearly told you we have a relative maxima. So when I see this function, I have 0 set, critical points at -2 and 2. So less than -2, f dash x is positive. Between 2, negative, positive when g of x is not there. But they clearly mentioned g of x is negative. Since g of x is negative, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. So at -2, the function is changing from negative to positive. It is changing from negative slope to positive slope. So -2 is a local minima or relative minima. So this is -2 is a relative minima. At 2, it is changing from positive to negative. So 2 is a relative maxima. So now we can happily identify f as relative minima at x is equal to -2 and relative maxima at x is equal to 2. Everyone in the class would have solved this here. Very simple, direct and straightforward question. Only thing is you should know when the f dash is changing from positive to negative, we have relative minima and relative maxima. As simple as that. So just 1 second. B. Yeah. Okay, 2 students gave correct, 1 gave different answer. Just look, and I expect everyone to give me answer. Don't sit idle in the class. So, yeah, next question. Yeah, now we'll do free response questions. There is no, we can go on doing the questions, no problem. So we'll do free response questions. Even though you did not listen to me so far, when I'm solving free response questions, if you can listen to me free response questions, you will get to the concept. So listen to me carefully and do it. Most of the stuff you know, only the little part, just the 2 to 3% you don't know. So everyone see this question and solve only part A. Just focus on part A of this question, everyone. I'll solve some 3-4 questions. Rest of all the questions, I'll give you homework. Even in this, in free response questions, out of 6 questions, 2 questions you'll get related to calculator based. You need to have calculator. First 2 questions, 30 minutes. Next 4 questions, no calculator, and it is for 1 hour. So this question comes under no calculator. For this question, calculator is not required. So please do solve the question. Okay. So who are struggling, just see who can do very good. Just see the part A only. First thing, they gave me the function. The continuous function f is defined on the interval -4 to 3. So this is a continuous function f given on the interval. The graph of f consists of two quarter circles. So this is one quarter circle, this is one quarter circle, and one line segment. First, try to understand the question. Then you are 50% done. Then, as shown in the figure, and then now they are giving a different function g of x. Now they're coming up with a different function g of x, and they're saying g of x is 2x plus integral of 0 to x f of x dx or f of t dt. So using the given function, I'm framing a different function. That is what the questions as of now. Now see, based on this, what are all the questions you are asking? I'm telling you, in APs, same questions are repeating. If you can do that free response questions of the last 20 papers that I have solved, definitely you'll get 5 out of 5. But you cannot mug up, right? You need to know the concept, right? See this. What is the first part that I need to do here? Is asking me g of -3. I need to find the value of g of -3. Most of you have this PDF. If anyone does not have, you can ask me. So g of -3 is message me. I'll just send me your email ID. 2 into -3 plus integral of 0 to -3 f of x dx or f of t dt. I'm writing 0 to -3 as minus integral of -3 to 0, lower limit down and upper limit up. What is the meaning of -3 to 0 f of t dt? Area under the curve. Integral is area under the curve. So -3 to 4. This is a semicircle, quarter circle with radius 1, 2, 3. So pi r square by 4. 9 pi by 4. 9 pi by 4 is this area. So -6 -6 minus this, everything is 9 pi by 4, area under the curve. So your answer should be g of -3 value is -6 minus 9 pi by 4. See how simple is this? You'll get frequently this model in exam perspective. This is how you need to solve if you get a question in the exam perspective. Now we need to find g dash of x. G dash of x. So according to fundamental theorem of calculus, right? Derivative of integral of 0 to x f of t dt or f of x dx, whatever it is, it should be f of x. Whatever is here, it comes here. When I'm teaching the fundamental theorem of calculus, I'll teach you here. Right now, you are required to know this. I need to find g dash of x. So g dash of x is derivative of 2x is 2 plus this becomes f of x. So g dash of x is 2 plus f of x. Now I need to find the value of g dash of -3. So next question is g dash of -3. So g dash of -3 is only this question requires integration. Remaining all, what all we have learned: relative maxima, relative minima, point of inflection, average rate of change. So it is all what all we have learned so far. So now I need to find g dash of -3. So to find g dash of -3, I should give it as 2 plus f of -3. So he's asking me the value of g dash of -3. So g dash of -3 is 2 plus f of -3. I need to find the value of f of -3. F of -3 means this value. So f of -3 is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So answer for this is 2. Answer for this is 2 plus f of x. Answer for this is -4. Sorry, -6 minus 9 pi by 4. That is what I got. You'll get 3 marks or 3 points. Each free response question is for 9 points or 9 marks. Each question is for 9 marks. So 6 into 9 is 54. They have their own conversions. You don't worry about that. Even you do partially, you'll get marks. So this will be definitely 1, 1, 1, 1 mark, or at least this will be for 2 marks out of 9 marks. First part is done. Now see the second part. How intelligent or how well they are asking the question. Determine the x coordinate of the point at which the g is. He gave the function f, so nothing to speak about function f because you are so smart. You'll see where the minimum is there, where the maximum is there. Is the function increasing or decreasing? Everything you can say about f. So he's relating it to a function g and he's asking something about g. Determine the x coordinate of the point at which g has an absolute maximum on the interval. So first you need to understand what is an absolute maximum? What is an absolute maximum? Absolute maximum is a maximum value of the entire graph. Where it can occur? It can occur at the extreme values, or it can occur at the critical points. What is the meaning of critical points? Find the points where g dash of x is 0, g dash of x is undefined. So there is nothing as undefined here. Find the value where g dash of x is 0. So first find g dash of x. We just found out what is g dash of x in the part 1. So what is g dash of x? So I need to find g of -4. I need to find g of 3. And I also need to find the value critical point. I'll see the value of g of x at end points. I'll see the value of g of x at critical points. Wherever the function is maximum, that is absolute maximum. Wherever the function is minimum, that is absolute minimum. So he's asking where we have absolute maximum. So I know 2 points, one is -4 and 3, but I need to know the critical point g dash of x. But we know g dash of x is 2 plus f of x. So 2 plus f of x is 0, or f of x is -2. Immediately you should see where f of x becomes -2. This is -1, -2. So definitely it becomes somewhere here. So try to find the equation of this line first. How do I find the equation of this line? 1, 2, 3. So this point is 0, 3. This point is 3, -3. Slope of this is -2. Therefore, y is equal to, I'm doing first part in mind, 3 minus of 6, 6 by -3, -2, mx plus c, c is 3. So -2x plus 3. I'm just finding equation of line. I'm not doing anything hi-fi math here. This is algebra math, pre-calculus. So -2x plus 3 is -2. -2x is -5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2. So x is equal to 5 by 2. So the absolute maximum can occur at -4. It can occur at 3. It can occur at 5 by 2. Now we need to see at which point it occurs. So for this, they'll give 1 mark because you found critical point and something. Okay, yeah. So now I need to find g of -4, and I also need to find g of 3, and I also need to find g of 5 by 2. So g of -4 is -8 plus integral of 0 to -4, 0 to -4, f of x dx. F of x dx. So which becomes -8 plus integral of 0 to -4 to 0 is same as minus of integral of -4 to 0 f of x dx. Or I'll tell you another way, easier way. Instead of, sir, it is so difficult for us to find all these points. So let us see where this function becomes absolute maximum or minimum. Means if you see g of x, if you see g dash of x, what is g dash of x? G dash of x is 2 plus f of x, correct, right? So what is your f of x function? Just now I found f of x function also. What is my f of x function? This point is 0, 3. There are multiple ways of doing this question. We'll see what is the best way of doing this question. 0, 3. So this point is 3, -3. 3 minus of -3 is 6, -2. So -2x plus 3. So this is 5 minus 2x. Very good. Now, if you find g dash of 5 by 2, if I take a value, there's a point 5 by 2. There's a point 5 by 2. So if I take a value greater than 5 by 2, this becomes negative. Like 3, 5 minus 6 is negative. If I take a value less than 5 by 2, like 2, it becomes positive. So at this critical point, the function is changing from positive to negative. Since the function is changing from positive to negative, so this function, because this is a decreasing function, this is an increasing function, it is increasing to some point and getting decreased. So this relative minima itself will become local absolute maxima. So at x is equal to 5 by 2, the function will have absolute maxima. That is how we can answer this question, as simple as that. Okay, so first understand the concept. What is an absolute maxima? Absolute maxima is the maxima where it can occur at endpoints or the critical points. Find the critical points. G dash of x equal to 0. Equate it to 0 so that you'll get the value of x. Then, to be frank, you need to find all these values. Instead of finding all the values, you just see the function is increasing and decreasing. Correct, right? So, and we know f 5 by 2 is a relative maxima, local maxima. So it should be an absolute maxima. For all values of x on the interval for which the graph of g has point of inflection. we clearly know what is the meaning of point of inflection. Point of inflection means the way the curve is changing from concave up to concave down, concave up to concave down, or concave down vice versa, or f double dash x is 0. Here g double dash x should be 0. So g double dash x should be 0. What is g dash of x? 2 plus f of x. What is g double dash of x? 2 plus f 2 is 0, f dash of x. So I need to see where f dash of x becomes 0 or f dash x changing from positive to negative. Where f dash x is changing from positive to negative. So this is your function f of x. Correct, right? This is your function f of x. So now we need to see f dash x. Positive slope, positive slope, positive slope, 0 slope, negative slope. So f dash x is changing from positive to negative at what point? At x is equal to 0. So f dash x is changing from positive to negative means f dash x becomes 0. F changing the sign from negative to positive becomes 0 only at x is equal to 0. So the point of inflection for this question is x is equal to 0. See how beautifully we can frame the questions. Only thing is you should understand the concept. What is point of inflection? Point of inflection is the point where the curve is changing from up to down. Or g double dash x is 0. But g double dash x is same as f dash x. So g double dash x is same as f dash x. So f dash x is positive, 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 positive. This is all negative because derivative, right? So 0 at this point at x is equal to 0, or changing sign from positive to negative at x is equal to 0. So hence x is equal to 0 is the point of inflection. Okay, yeah. So this is a bit more and more theoretical questionnaire. If at all you can solve this question, you can solve any questions of the concept that I have explained. But even you don't know, try to understand. You learned what is point of inflection. You learned what is absolute maximum in this. You learned how to find the function value like g dash of x. We learned 2 to 3 concepts so far. Now, average rate instantaneous. So this is mostly intermediate value theorem and mean value theorems. Okay, we'll see this question. Next question. Find the average rate of change of f on the interval -4 to 3. So what is the meaning of average rate of change? F of 3 minus f of -4 divided by 3 minus of -4. That is the average rate of change, right? So average rate of change when the interval is f of 3 minus f of 4 by 3 minus of 4. What is f of 3 value? F of 3 is -3. What is f of -4 value? F of -4 value is -1. Correct, right? F of -4 is -1. F of 3 is -3 by 7. So -3 plus 1 by 7, which is -2 by 7. Find the average rate of change of for this, you might get 1 mark. So do every part. Don't worry if you cannot do. At least try to do what all you can do. By doing even the parts, overall marks, you'll be very good. No one can do all the questions in AP calculus. Not no one. Some of them can do, but most of them cannot do. That is the reason. It is not like SAT. Even you make one mistake, penalty can't be 20. You make even 25 to 30% mistakes, still you get 5 because you are the top percentile. Only very few are able to do that level. That is what it meant. There is now this one. Now we need to prove there is no point C -4 in between -4 to 3 for which f dash C is equal to average rate of change. So I need to prove f dash C is equal to -2 by 7. It is not possible to have f dash C as -2 by 7. Correct, right? Explain the statement explain why the statement does not contradict the mean value theorem. So what does the mean value theorem for mean value theorem says f must be continuous and differentiable, continuous in the closed interval -4, 3 and differentiable in the open interval -4, 3. Correct, right? So when I see this function, clearly the function is not differentiable at 0. Why? Because the left hand derivative is positive, right hand derivative is negative. So clearly at 0 the function is not differentiable. So what does mean value theorem says? If function is continuous and differentiable, then rate of change of function is equal to instantaneous rate of change of function is equal to average rate of change of function. There exists a C between -4, 3 such that instantaneous rate of change, that is f dash of C, is equal to average rate of change. That is what the mean value theorem says. But it is contradicting because the function is not continuous. So there can't be a value which f dash C is equal to -2. Explain why this statement does not contradict. Means you just need to say clearly the function is not differentiable So, but according to the mean value theorem, the function should be continuous and continuous in the closed interval and differentiable in the open interval. Since the function is not differentiable, it is not contradicting the mean value theorem. As simple as that. It is definitely too theoretical question, too much. We'll see where we don't have any integrals and all this. Yeah, this don't have, this don't have, this don't have. Unnecessarily I touched that question. I would have done these questions. You would have enjoyed a lot. So there is other question here. So they're asking critical points, concave down. Everyone try to solve on your own without looking into the board. Someone typing something here. Just 1 second. Someone typing. Okay. People are giving me answers. Very good. Yeah. Now everyone should see the first part and give me answer. Read the question first. Read the first part. Please don't sit idle. Please put your pen and paper and give me answer for the first part. Do the first part and try to give me answer for the first part. Yeah. I don't know how many of you have solved. Whoever solved, good. Who did not, cannot solve. Please do see, look at the board. Okay. Consider a differentiable function f having domain all positive real numbers, and for which it is known that f dash x is something for x greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, this is the f dash x. Find the x coordinate of the critical point of f. So he's asking us to find the critical point. So we know that the critical points are where f dash x is 0 or f dash x can be undefined. But x is clearly greater than 0. Don't hurry and mark x is equal to 0 as a critical point. So please see where f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 4. So definitely one of the critical point is 4. Determine whether the point is a relative maxima, relative minima, or neither for the function. How to find? Take 0.4. Find f dash x. Take 3. Positive. Take 5. Negative. So the function is changing from positive to negative. Means what is 0.4? Relative maxima. How simple is this here? If you get this question, how happy you should be. So you should say the function is changing from f dash x changing from positive to negative at 4. So we have we have relative maxima or local maxima at x is equal to 4. Now I need to find all the points at which the function is concave down. What is the meaning of concave down? F double dash x should be 0. Don't look into the board, just solve, you'll be confident. So find all the f double dash x. You have f dash x. What is f dash x? 4 minus of x by x cube. So everyone find f double dash x. X cube into -1 minus of 4 minus x into 3x square by x cube whole square, which is x power 6. Take x square common, minus x square minus 3 into 4 minus x by x power 4, which is minus x square minus 12 plus 3x by x power 4. This is your f double dash x. Correct, right? So now I need to find where f double dash x is less than 0. So I'll take minus common. I did any calculation? Someone is typing. Yeah, x is equal to 4. It is a relative maxima, not relative minimum. Now I need to find f double dash x cube into -1 minus 4 minus x into 3x square by x power 6. Y root minus, I took x square common. If I take x square common, this is x. I did small calculation mistake here because this is making me trouble. So I'm thinking. So there's a small calculation mistake. Be careful. I'll erase this and I'll erase this. And I'll try to find something here. So I take x square common minus x minus 3 into 4 minus x by x power 4. So minus x minus 12 plus 3x. 2x minus 12 by x power 4. 2 into x minus 6 by x power 4. This is my function. Now when it is where it is less than 0, where it will be less than 0, definitely when x is less than 6. Where it is positive when x is greater than 6. It is asking where it is concave down. We know that x is greater than 0. So 0 less than x less than 6. For all the values of 0 less than x less than 6, the function is concave down. See how happy you should be here by solving this question. How well you can improve your confidence. Next, given that f of 1 is equal to 2, determine the function f. Okay, like partial differential equations here. They give f dash x. So derivative of f of x or dy by dx is equal to 4 minus x by x cube. So dy is equal to 4 into x power minus 3 minus of x power minus 2 into dx. F dash x is same as dy by dx, right? Now you do integral on both sides. Y is equal to 4 into x power minus 4 by minus 4 minus of x power minus 3 by minus 3 plus c minus of x power minus 4 plus 1 by 3 x power minus 3 plus c is equal to y. But they give f of 1 is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus c minus 2 by 3. Therefore, c is equal to 2 plus 2 by 3. So, which is 6, 8 by 3. So, your function value y is equal to minus of 1 by x power 4 plus 1 by 3 x power 3 plus 8 by 3. So, this should be your answer. Okay? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. I hope everyone can hear me. So, this is the way you'll find it. So, they just do f dash x. Use your differentiation and you'll be able to find the answer here. Now, other questions, please do solve. Me going on solving all questions, waste of time. And I think for these questions, they give solutions also. They give solutions also at the end of the, after these 10 questions. There is, now this is a calculator based questions. I can do, but without calculator, I'll not be able to do. So please, you should know how to find differentiation, integration of these functions, how to grab these functions. The moment if you can do this, you are the winner. So they give solutions also, but see the solutions only to check your answers. Don't depend too much on them. There are 1 or 2 questions where integration is also involved. Most of you have done integration, so you should be able to do. Don't leave that I don't know integration. Integral is area under the curve, as simple as that. Just use that. Please do solve all these questions. Spend time tomorrow. Please do spend 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. Please do solve. Then definitely you'll be able to do maximum questions. Okay. So now optimization. You people are good at, you will by heart like this. You'll find f of x. You'll find f dash x is equal. You'll find pixel points. Then you'll find f double dash x. If f double dash x is greater than 0, minimum. If f double dash x is greater than 0, maximum. That is what you will do, right? The same thing that you need to do here. So optimization questions. For optimization questions, first you will find f of x. If they give in different variables, try to find in one variable. Then you find f dash x. You'll get the critical points. Find f double dash x at the points. If f double dash x is greater than 0, relative minimum. If f double dash x is less than 0, relative maximum or maxima. Okay? Yeah. So first question is very simple. Definitely everyone can do. We'll do, and we'll do the second question. Please don't leave any topic. Every topic will help us. I'll do 1 or 2 questions. 2-3 questions, and then rest of the. So they gave x and they gave y as 2x minus 8. So I got my function. First, you need to get function in one variable. So 2x square minus 8x. Now we find f dash x, which is 4x minus 8, and equate it to 0. X is equal to 2. Now we find f double dash x, which is 4, which is greater than 0. So x is equal to 2 is my relative minima. So he's asking what is the minimum value. So if x is equal to the relative minimum occurs. So if x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 4. So he's asking the minimum value of x, y. So x into y is 2 into minus 4, which is minus 8, which is B for Bangalore is your wonderful answer. Okay, so simple, right? Yeah. Now everyone, the difficulty only with optimization is getting functions into one variable. So we just need to be able to get the functions into one variable. Now see a right circular cylinder. Everyone knows the formulas for right circular cylinder. If you don't know, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Volume is pi r square h. Total surface area, curved surface area. Now just read into the question. Convert the entire. You need to find an f of x. The moment you find f of x, all calculation. You'll find f dash x equal to 0. Find the critical point, and you'll find f double dash x, so that you'll be able to do. So first find the function. People need to find the function faster. Even if I do linear approximation, most of the stuff here is done. Just finding into one variable is important. It is so simple to do the question. Okay, who have done very good, who struggling to do, just see the way I'm considering all right circles for which the sum of the height and its circumference is 30 centimeters. So he clearly give height plus circumference. 2 pi r is how much? 30 centimeters. What is the radius of the cone with the maximum volume? And the volume is maximum. What is the radius of this cone? So volume is 1/3 pi r square h. We know that. So just 1 second. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. So what is the radius with which the maximum volume? Sorry. Yeah. Parents are too much worried here for simple reasons. Yeah. So volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h is 30 minus 2 pi r. Convert into one variable is what always is important for us. So see, they give two functions, but they'll give extra condition to convert into one variable. Find they let it be f of r. If you are not comfortable, take it as f of x. F of x is equal to 1/3 pi x square into 30 minus 2 pi x. So find f dash x. So, and we need to find. You can also use, you cannot, suppose if the function is very difficult, you can also use f dash x. If you change it from positive to negative, relative maxima, and negative to positive, relative minima. So find f dash x. If you find f dash x, pi by 3 is one function, x square derivative is 2x. 2x into 30 minus 2 pi x plus x square into 30 minus 2 pi x is minus 2 pi. So 5 by 3 into 2x into 30 is 60x minus 4 pi x square minus 2 pi x square. So equate that to 0, you get 60x is equal to 6 pi x square. Correct, right? Make sure that no calculation mistake. 2x into 30 is 60x minus 4 pi x square minus 2 pi x square. Yeah. So 60x, 6x will 10 times. Xx will get cancelled. X is equal to 10 by pi. Do you have answer? Yes, 10 by pi is there. So definitely no need to do. You simplify, you'll get answer as 10 by pi. Because no other critical point, right? I got only one critical point, so no need. I'm just joking. You got 10 by pi. No need to find f double dash x and prove it less than 0. Find the value of f dash x less than 10 by pi. Definitely is asking maximum volume, right? You'll get positive value here and take a value greater than 10 by pi. You'll get negative value. So we can say this is. So this is all about finding relative maxima, relative minima. Optimization means finding maxima, minima. So you can do in two ways. Find f of x in one variable. Find f dash x equal to 0. Find those points. Find f double dash x at those points. Greater than 0, relative minima. Less than 0, relative maxima. Or once you get those points, take f dash x to the left of that point. See what is happening f dash x. If it is positive, negative, relative maxima. If it is negative, positive, relative minima. Either of the way you can do it. Okay. So just do one more question just for my happiness. Then I leave optimization and we'll go to linear approximation. But please do solve all these questions. Sincerely try. Sincerely try them. See here, this is looking very not interesting, not difficult. Just see what is the area of the largest rectangle that can be an ellipse. They gave an ellipse. And they're asking what is the area of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just try it here. Let us see how well you are thinking. Whatever you know, you just try it. If you don't know, no problem. But you should try. There is no harm in trying. See, people who are struggling now will really perplex. Yes, so simple. Array, why I could not do? Why I'm thinking too much? The moment we see the questions like ellipse, inscribed, we'll get terrified. First, leave that habit. No terrified, nothing here. Apply from basic. Definitely, you get wrong answer. You'll get correct answer. So there is an ellipse, and there is a rectangle inscribed that ellipse. Now, what is asking? What is the area of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed in an ellipse? Let this be 0. Let this be x. So automatically, this will be minus x. So this is 2x. Let this be y. This is minus y. This is 2y. So area of the rectangle is 2x into 2y. First thing, there is a thing that you need to write. Area of the rectangle is 2x into 2y, which is 4xy is the area of the triangle. Now I need to convert this into one variable. For that, they gave me one wonderful equation. 9y square is equal to 36 minus simple logic. Convert into one variable. Y square is equal to 36 minus 4x square by 9. Y is equal to under root of. So you'll get it as 4 into x into root of 36 minus x square. Or you can also write 36 minus 4x square by 3. This is your function, f of x. Function might be complicated, but math is not complicated. Calculations only will be complicated here. Now you got a function f of x. Simple, right? Once you get function f of x, what you can do? So happily you can do f dash x. This is your f of x. 4x by 3 into root of 36 minus 4x square. Everyone don't just look into the board. Please do your work. F of x is, I think I just did it now. F of x is 4x by 3 into square root of 36 minus 4x square by 9. So which is 4x by 3 into square root of 36 minus 4x square by 9. This is your function, right? That is what I got. Now, f of x. Find f dash x UV rule. 4 by 9 into square root of 36 minus 4x square plus 4x by 9 into 1 by 2 into 36 minus 4x square to the power of minus 1 by 2 into 36 minus 4x square is minus 8x. So this can be written as 4 by 9 root of 36 minus 4x square plus 4x by, this goes 2 times. So minus 16x by 9 into minus 16x square, sorry, minus 16x square, 2x into minus 16x square by 9 into 1 upon root of 36 minus 4x square. So again, I'll write it off. So 4 by 9 root of calculations here. I don't want to like to waste time, but let me do the complete question. So I'm doing 16x square by 9 into 1 by root of 36 minus 4x square. This is your f dash x, but I can simplify that. Definitely I can simplify. I can simplify it as 4 by 9 into 36 minus 4x square minus 16x square by 9 by root of 36 minus 4x square. So, and take 1 by 9 as a common. So 4 into 36 minus 16x square minus 16x square by 9 into root of. This should be equal to 0. So numerator should be equal to 0. Take 4 common. 4, 4. So 36 is equal to 8x square. X square is equal to 36 means 18 by 4, 9 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by root 2. No need to find f double dash x here because there definitely I got only one critical point. If not, you'd find f dash x value for less than 3 by root 2 and greater than root by root 2. This you'll get largest only when x is equal to 3 by root 2. What is your area? You got earlier 2xy, right? Area is, sorry, 4xy, right? So first I need to find y value. What is the y value I got before? 36 minus 4x square by 9. 4x square is 18. 36 minus 18 is 18. 18 by root 2. Y is root 2. X is 3 by root 2. Y is root 2. Area is 4 into x into y. 4 into 3 by root 2 into root 2. So answer is 12. So 12 should be my answer. Okay. Work from basic. Questions will never ever be difficult. That is what I meant to say. Answer is 12. So how I took area is ellipse, right? I'm inscribing this is my rectangle. This is my ellipse and this is my thing, right? Okay. So this is x. This is minus x. This is 0. So length is 2x. If it is y, this is y. This is minus y. So this length is 2y. So length is 2x, width is 2y. So 2x into 2y. So area is 4xy. That is how I got. So answer should be 12 here for this question. That is the answer. Okay. So the remaining questions, please do. Nothing is easy, but you need to spend a lot of time. The work I gave you will require, and I asked you to do original paper, at least 6 to 7 hours of work. If you do that sincerely, you are sure you are close to 5. Because all these similar questions only you are going to get in exam. Now next is linear approximation here. Sorry. Linear approximation. So linear approximation is same like equation of a line. So when I say equation of a line, what is the formula for equation of line? y2 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 is y2 minus y1 is equal to m into x2 minus x1, right? Or y2 here means y, x2 here means x. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y is y1 plus m into x minus x1. If I need to find a value using a linear function, f of x value, I'll use y1 plus m into x minus x1. So you take any function. If I need to find a value of this function at this point, the function is so complicated, I might need, but I will draw a tangent line at this point and I'll find the value of the tangent at that point. That will be same as the function value at that point. X square minus 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2x plus 3 is an easy function. So I'm able to draw x square minus 2x plus 3 is x minus 1 whole square plus 2. So x minus 1 whole square means like this, plus 2 means like this. So if you draw this graph, you get something like this. If you want, you can try and draw. Now the tangent line to the graph f at x is equal to is used to approximate the value of. So I'm using the tangent line. This is 1, this is 2. So at 2, I'm drawing a tangent line to find the value of this function. Which of the following is the greatest value of x for which the error resulting from this tangent line approximation is less than 2.5? So this is an error question, is asking which is the following is the greatest value, till what extent I can go, such that the difference between the actual value and the value that you are finding using x is equal to 2.1 or 2.2 or 2.3, the error is less than 0.5, means I cannot draw at exact point, right? So this is the tangent. So if I can find this, this might be 2.5 or this might be 2.7. Okay. So what is the largest value farther away from point 2? Still the error is less than 0.5. It's not that difficult. We'll do linear approximation. Then we'll come back and do this question. Definitely we'll do. You only will do. I'll make you do. So first, let me find at x is equal to 0.12. What is this value? Y is equal to, you'll say, sir, why to do all this? I have wonderful calculators. So 4 plus sine of 0.12. But even this, you'll give wrong answer, but you don't know whether you need to keep in degrees or radians. You need to keep this in radians because this is radian value. If you keep 99%, your calculator will be degree, even that you'll get answer. It's wrong answer. So leave all that. So we'll try to find obtain from the tangent graph at x is equal to 0. So even though I need to find at 0.2, so I'll find the value of the 0 and I'll try to do this question. So everyone try to do slope of this function and find the value at x is equal to 0. I need to find f of 0.12. That is my final goal. So to find f of 0.12, what all I need to do so that I can find the function value at 0.12 is the question. So we just learned what we have learned. Y minus y1 is equal, or y is equal to y1 plus m into x minus x1. That is what we have learned, right? So what is the point that I need to find tangent at x is equal to 0? So y is equal to y1 means f of x, which is f of 0 plus m into x minus 0. Now I need to find the value where I need to find the slope at x is equal to 0. What is f of 0? F of 0 is square root of 4, which is 2, plus I need to find f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 1 by 2 into root of 4 plus sine x. What is the derivative of 4 plus sine x? Cos x. Put x is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into 2, 4. So 2 plus 1 by 4 into x. So 2 plus 1 by 4, x is your f of x value. But I need to find f of 0.12 value. F of 0.12 value is 2 plus 0.12 by 4, which is 2 plus 0.3, which is 2.3. 0.12 by 3 is 0.03. Sorry, 2.03. Option is not there. So sometimes we do this mistake. If they give 2.3 in hurry, we might not be careful. So if you want to find a function value at some particular point, I'll try a tangent line and I'll try to find the value at this point. So you need to draw a tangent at x is equal to 0. Using that, you are finding the value of the graph of f of 0.12. So f of 0.12 is equal to value at 0, f of 0 plus f dash of 0 plus x minus x1. X is 0.12 minus initial value is 0. This is your function. That is what I did here. You can also do the same function. Which of the following is the linear polynomial expression for cos 2x near x is equal to 0? So f of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 into x minus 0. Correct, right? So what is f dash of 0? 1. What is f of 0? 1. So everyone do and give me your answer. What should be answer for this? Everyone just do this question and give me what is a polynomial approximation for the function cos 2x near x is equal to 0. You'll do bit mistake in this question because this is not just linear approximation, this is quadratic approximations too. I'll explain polynomial function. Using polynomial function easily you can do this question. So now just learn linear approximation. So polynomial this we'll do using Taylor polynomial f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash 0 by 2 factorial. If you do that question, you'll do it in seconds using Taylor polynomial. So you can expand. This is not a linear polynomial because cos function will be like 1 minus 2x square, I think is answer. 1 minus, yeah, mostly 1 minus 4x square by 2. 1 minus 2x square should be answer, yes. So we'll do this question, but definitely we all can do 14th question. Just look into the 14th question. They gave f of 3 value, they gave f dash 3 value. If the tangent to the line of the graph of f at x is equal to this, you should find approximation to a 0 of f. That approximation is. Okay. So f of x is equal to f of 3 plus f dash of 3 into x minus 3. What is f of 3 value? 2. What is f dash 3 value? 5 into x minus 3 is your f of x. I need to find 0 of f. So equate f of x to 0. 2 plus 5x minus 15. 5x is equal to 13. X is equal to 13 by 5, which is 2.6. So 2.6 is your answer. So C for Chennai is your answer. Okay. So Newton method also keep it. Just now learn only linear approximation. So y is equal to y1. That is f of x plus f dash x. They give some points. So f of a plus f dash a into x minus a. That is going to give you the linear approximation of the function. Let us see now the first question. So you might be worried how to do the first question. So if you see the first question is asking where is the error, which is what is the greatest value till the error is less than 0.5. That is what he's asking. Correct, right? See how I'm going to solve this question. They gave a function f of x. What is your f of x value? F of x value is x square minus 2x plus 3. The tangent line to the graph of f at x is going to use to approximate the value of f of x. So for this, we'll draw which of the following is the greatest value of x for which the error resulting from this tangent line is approximately less than 0.5. So first find the equation of the tangent line. So f of x is equal to f of 2 plus f dash of 2 into x minus 2. What is f of 2? Put x is equal to 2, 4 minus 4 plus 3, 3. What is f dash of 2? F dash of 2 is 2x minus 2. Put x is equal to 2 into x minus 2. So what do you get? 2x minus 1. So what is your function value? The function value is 2x minus 1. This is your function value. Correct, right? Now, is telling which of the following is the greatest value for which the error resulting from the tangent line approximation less than 0.5. So the difference between the actual value and the predicted value. This is the predicted value, right? There is a function. So this is what you're getting. So at 2 point, this is the 2.7. This is an actual value, but you are using the tangent line. So you'll say 2 into 2.5 minus 1. So I want the greatest value, still the error is less than 0.5. So what is the error here? Actual value is x square minus 2x plus 3. But what is the error? Minus of 2x minus 1. This is the error. This is the error. Actual value, predicted value will give you error. This should be less than what? 0.5. So just subtract x square minus 4x plus 2 is less than 0.5. X square minus 4x plus 2 is x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square should be less than 0.5. So x square is less than 2 means, yeah, minus 0.5 less than x minus 2 less than 0.5. X should be less than 2 minus 0.5 less than 2 plus 0.5. Find the value of 2 plus 0.5. You will get some value. Suppose if it is 2.81, it will be 2.8. If it is 2.71, answer will be 2.7 or 2.79. It should be less than that number. So greatest number, still the error is less than 0.5. So for that, you are using tangent line. You are finding the approximation using the tangent line. You will get an approximate some value, but the actual value will be something. So that is the error. So you are finding that error. So linear approximation is most important. Y minus y1, you know this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So where f of x value at a certain point, f of x2 is equal to f of x1 plus m into x minus x1. Same formula I am using. I am doing all these questions. So till linear approximations, please try to do these questions. Page number 80. Okay, this related rates is not that great, but we'll do it tomorrow. Few questions and we'll move on to. You can also solve this all. One second here. A good number of questions. This will define functions. Okay, Riemann sum. Yeah, we need to shift to Riemann sum as soon as possible. So tomorrow's class I'll cover whatever is the free response questions are there, but tomorrow itself I'll come to Riemann sum. Don't miss any classes. Every class is important. Tomorrow we'll do Riemann sum. Pakka 100% question on Riemann sum in every paper that I see. Multiple choice we have, even free response questions we have. Tomorrow we'll see. First we'll cover optimization. Linear approximation is done also, right? So there are many free response questions. So what my request is, please do sincerely before tomorrow's class, right? Rate of change I'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Other than rate of change, before Riemann sum, whatever the questions are there, please try to solve the questions on your own. Who don't have this material, just mail me your email ID. I'll send you the things. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. So then integration will start. So tomorrow I'll see you. So tomorrow I'll tell you the classes here. Just hold on. First, let me start with so I think I did not save so far. Okay, no problem. So don't miss tomorrow's class here, but please do solve all the questions till page number I'm going to tell you. These are all questions you can solve here. All these you can solve. All these you can solve. That's all I did now. Again, I'm coming back down. Okay. Just 1 second. Please do all the questions till linear approximation. What are all the questions that are there till linear approximation? Please do all those questions and please do complete one paper that I have sent. This only will take 7 to 8 hours. Again, you will not get time once the college starts. Please do utilize this time. Please do all the questions till linear approximations. And I'll arrange a doubt sessions among yourselves. Please do involve in that. Again, I'm telling you, right, wonderful opportunity. You'll save minimum 2 subjects, 7 credits, minimum 7 to 10 lakhs by doing this simple math. Simple math here. What is there in this here? Very easy math here. You know the basic, you can do any question. Most of the questions you can do. These are questions later. Just 1 second. I'll tell you the last page number that I expect you to do. So down. Okay, till linear approximations, you do all the questions here. I'll see you in tomorrow's class. I'll tell you the timing. What timing shall we have tomorrow? Tomorrow, we'll fix to one timing here. I think night 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. 7 to 8, I have class. 7 to 8, I have class. 6 to 7, 5:30, they might come off. 4 to 5. So tomorrow 8 to 9 should be okay, or any issues? Tomorrow 8 to 9. So tomorrow 8 to 9 we'll have class. Huh? So tomorrow 8 to 9 we'll have class. Sir. Most of the days we'll have 8 to 9. If there is any deviation, we'll have other times. Tomorrow 8 to 9 we'll have it yet. Huh? All the best. I'll see you tomorrow. But till linear approximation, sincerely work hard and do. Everything will be good. You have any material or any help required, let me know. I'll do that for you. Take care. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.